That's a pretty sight with the wind blowing the flag. Woohoo! American freedom. My daughter bought the chickens. The money I had, they gave me $25 extra. They ain't paid me yet, but they will. But I'm glad because these chickens, well, maybe this is a rooster retarded. He's eating the plastic. So the dog's looking at the rooster like, hey dude, you ain't supposed to be eating that. Why are you eating the plastic? My daughter wrapped that keep them from getting cold, so I don't have to worry about it now. But it hadn't slowed them down from chasing around the roosters, so maybe that's the secret sauce. Plastic. Plastic makes the rooster good. But he does look wilder and confused. He's out. This don't taste that good. Or maybe he's just making a bigger window. And he's building a bird nest or something. I don't know. Crazy rooster, crazy rooster. Yeah, put my creamer in there. Put in my coffee. Oh yeah. I brew tea too. I put 6 bags in there. And put it on there. Let it brew. We're up here at Bojangles. We're gonna get us some fattening food so we can go out here and work out in the weather. I know. This is a Cajun cheese and Cajun biscuit. This is a breakfast bowl. Yeah, me and my son getting our calories in before we go out here and try to walk and hopefully won't fall today. Yeah, Cajun flavored biscuit and country ham. Ooh. All right, we're up here. Said the barn. We're at Hickory Knob State Park, and this is the Turkey Ridge Loop we're going to go on today. I got my stick. I got my boots. So hopefully I won't fall. And I won't video this one over an hour, you know, just a little bit. But 2 trails here. There's a 7-mile trail that comes this way too. So we'll have to see how it does it. Yeah, this is the start of the trail. Both of them got, move out of the way. Oh, look at that. Move out of the way.
You're moving it on.
Turkey Ridge Log, Lakeview Trail. See, Lakeview Trail is straight. Turkey Ridge Loop is that way. But it's late, and it's got trail information. And see, the statuses or trails are open. So these trails are going to be better than where we was yesterday. The other ones ain't. So it says go to the left. Turkey Ridge. All trails.
Yeah, it's so if a trail is closed or if there's a problem with it, we have to, like horse racing, we have to slow you down.
Yeah, you have to slow them down.
Yeah.
So this has an adventure thing you can do for the kids.
Yeah, that's
that cool. Yep. I can't have my son at it or he'll melt. I would catch his Indian spirit. But this is the little trail, and even though I thought it was at the same place, and this nice lady told us it was over here. So, and it's only 1 mile and 7/10. And it's called Turkey Loop. Turkey Loop. Yeah. It's neat. And there's a thing, if I forget, it's called All Trails. So All Trails is an app, but this trail's not on there, but you can get a subscription service and it shows all the trails in the United States. So I got my three legs, my stick. This is a nicer trail than the other one. If you get in front of me, don't say nothing.
So we got the auto today. We got Naruto, 300 milligrams.
Come on, we gotta hurry up to finish the trail. Now I like this. Look at this little land bridge they got here with a ditch for water carry away. When the water rains, it probably has a big old thing. And see, this is a little bit moderate because it's a little steeper than the other one. But it's kind of cool. I got my boots on and my walking trail.
Struck a thaw. I got 30 pounds on me.
Yep. They had to slow you down, like putting a equilibrium.
No, I just made my cat.
That TV show?
Well, the Twilight.
Yeah, I think it's all filmed.
The little trail. It's a whole lot nicer, James.
Yeah, it's the small one.
Yeah. Well, this is upkept. That other one's not too upkept. The one went on yesterday.
Yeah, that one is part of the history.
Is it a nice trail?
In the Revolutionary War.
You said Cowpens?
Yeah,
Cowpen? What's the name of it?
it's called Cowpens. It's an old Revolutionary War site.
Is the trail nice?
The trail is interesting because the story of the battle is so.
Now, I don't have you on video, but can I put you on video so I can watch it? Okay. What's your name?
Pam.
Pam. Mine's Jim, and this is James Barrow.
Hi.
There's my son.
So Jim and Jim.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I go by James. He goes by Jim.
Yeah, well, he's the third, and I'm the junior.
Oh, okay. So somebody's got to be Jimmy.
Well, I didn't
Well,
like
my
that.
granddad was
I got picked on
Rick,
by,
or Ricky.
well, Richard, because he used Rick for Richard.
Yeah, because we all got the same name, James Barrow.
They told me I could be a senior when my dad died, but I was like, I've been a
I wasn't
junior.
going to take away the third because that's like a Christian thing. I want to go.
Third? Really?
Yeah, threes at least.
What are you talking about, the Trinity?
Oh.
And
Yeah.
3 days when he was dead, and then he rose back.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of threes.
But I'm so glad my son come out here to walk with me.
Where's the dog? They have the dog off.
Oh, it's like wireless?
Yeah, it signals to the dog if they get like even 50 feet away from
Oh, okay, kind of like one of those fences that you got in the ground.
Yeah.
A virtual leash.
It's really nice.
Oh, wow. And you just set your, No, I like that. I would have to have that. I did not know that.
Stop and brace my arm on something.
What happened?
Didn't you just hear me?
No.
I had to stop and brace my arm on something without bracing it so you can focus specifically on the forearm muscle.
I feel like I'm 90 years old. I'm out here putting effort in to walk the trail. My son's out here working out while he's walking. Superman. I'm with Superman. His only kryptonite, if he runs out of calorie deficit.
I got like 2 more packs of cookies and another energy drink.
Oh, yeah? Are you good? Whew. It's only 1.8 miles. It's almost 2 miles. Yeah, getting this stick in these boots help a lot, James.
Bringing this helps a lot.
Well, I'm glad. I'm glad you. Now, what's the name of this thing called? The turkey loop. See right here. These roots would be really challenging if I didn't have my stick that Clarence gave me. The only thing now, if this one breaks, I got to figure out how to get me another one. A little bit more challenging going this way.
At least the leaves don't look dirty.
Ugh.
Man, this is natural fit.
Yep. See, in my tennis shoes, that would have really hurt really bad. Because the tennis shoes don't have any support.
I gotta eat.
So even though I started losing feeling in my feet.
I'm not gonna chill. Oh, heavens. Okay, down spot.
Yep. Whew. That's so cool. My son, he's out here working out, and I feel this one's got a little bit more elevation to it. And I stopped for a second, and I could hear my heart going boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this trail ain't too bad. It's 1 mile and like 7/10. You know, I couldn't figure out where it went, but we had a local person that knew how to read where it was. I'd probably fell down the hill. But yeah, very nice. Nice little trail. And a lot of these trails just now opening up. They've been closed for a long time. Yep. My son to get behind me. Then he wants to be a trailblazer. So I start walking faster, see if he can catch it with me. He'd be like, he's carrying 30 pounds of weights on him. Don't see him. He said, "Why you walking so fast?" I'm not. I'm about to fall down. Yeah, if it's earlier. Well, I got one more trail I can come out here and do. So you see it. You can see the trees. I turned around. Glass is fogging up. That's the only thing. All the trees fell down. So it's nice, you know. Someone wants me to go camping. I'm like, can't quite get off the ground right now. So I ain't ready for that. Yep. I'm watching my step. He wants to bring his bike out here. But we went on the bottom. There's a big loop, so we could have went up or down. And we followed the lady, Miss Pam, to which she went. Then she stopped back there. And I figured we keep going. You know, she didn't come out here to be bothered, so he was probably bothered a little bit. So I tried to give her some peace. This thing's like we're almost at the end of it. That's so cool. I had to write all these trails down. Where have you been? Had me a big old list. So pretty. It's kind of an easy trail though. It's got a few steep places, but there's no trees going across the path. So that makes it nice. That other one I had to lay down on some of them logs and go around some of the logs that fell. Do it. I'm walking slow, James. Do it. You got that little scooter in the car. You should have brought it. 1 mile, it says. So we're over halfway done. We're over halfway, James. This must be the loop that she's talking about. Now they did good clearing all this. Look at that. All this was covered. Probably wore them out where they had to. What's wrong with you, James? What's wrong with you? What do you mean I'm going too far? Why? Why you gotta stop? Look at that. I take my hat off. Woo! We're on the other side of the loop now, James. Yep, my heart. Had to work off that Bojangles food today. Big old chicken, egg, cheese biscuit, and the breakfast bowl. But the hash browns in the breakfast bowl had onions in them. So my son ate them. I couldn't eat them. But yeah, try to catch her to. If anybody watching, they probably want to see the woods instead of me. They're like, move out of the way. So, smell it. Smell the fresh woods and leaves. Yeah. It's a nice little trail. Yeah. Ooh. I watch that dragging my feet. I gotta watch where I'm going. Yeah, buddy. I don't know what my son is. I guess he's working out. I don't know why he wanted to bring weights on a walking trail. All I have to do is just carry my body with me. I don't need weights. That's enough weight. And where do you know it? The Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but that one, that's like a healthy one there. Hey, little birds. Hey, Turkey Rail Ridge. I might have to walk around the barn and he catches up with me. He overdid it. Yeah. Oh, Gotta watch out where I'm going. I want to fall. Be 2 for 2. Get it. It's like a little valley. James, where you at? I'm gonna go ahead and start on the 7-mile trail. Hope he's all right. I ain't gonna be able to go back and get him. He whipped out on me. James! James! You coming? What are you doing? Just come through the woods instead of going around the trail. Well, he's talking about how easy this is. He's like a mile behind me. I weigh 100 more pounds he does and more than twice his age. I ain't carrying around no 30 pounds worth of weights though. Hey! My son's a crackhead. I love him though. I try to do something with my son. He wants to work out. And this is only 1 mile and 8/10. I don't want to be here all day. I want to walk the trail. I don't want to sit there and wait him to work out 4 hours. I want to walk the trail and sit down. So, you know, nothing's ever good enough. I want to walk the woods. He wants to bring his bike. And he wants to work out. You know, and just walk in the woods. Kids. Whew. Ooh, that breeze feels good. Look at that. My son will probably push that down, so I better get it. He might not. He might be tired. I'll go sit in the car, change my shoes while I wait on him. Go home and go to that thing I want to anyway. Yep. I thought he'd want to walk with me. He wants to come out here and work out. Crackhead. Okay. You're way over there. You gotta walk all around there. No, they had to work out. I had to come by myself. I wouldn't have found the walking trail, but that deal with no craziness. I don't need the stress. Just show how they maintaining the trail. I had to slow down a second, so they're wearing these boots. You feel it, but they give me a lot more support than them tennis shoes. Whew. It's a nice little trail though. Yeah, I bought the pass. They don't even charge for parking. Not this one. Whew. Well, the thing seems like it's longer than mile and 8/10. Somebody must have measured it with their same mileage indicator I got, which it updates like half an hour later. It's really like 10 miles. It's only a mile and 8/10. I like this grass, how the grass grows right here on either side of the trail. I don't know. It looks like it's planted. Probably to keep the erosion. Maybe. Oh. I didn't fall. Yeah. Reason I got on boots, but it's the glasses are all foggy. So it's humid out here. Humid or whatever. Still says Turkey Loop. Kind of loops around. I guess that's why they call it Turkey Loop. Whew. Yeah, I told me we peed before we started this thing. I don't care. As long as he gets his workout in. I had 2 cups of coffee. Peed right before we started, then I had to go again, but whew. Yep. All trail. I have to get that. That sounds fun. All trail. All Pico trail. Rascal Pico. Dukes of Hazzard. as an old reference. Thing seems like it never ends. That's the only thing I wish they had. Like, you got 2/10 of a mile to go, or there's nothing to tell you how far you got left. This seems so crazy. I don't know if I'm going the right way or not. Easy to get turned around here in these woods. Whew. Yeah, I ain't fall today. Almost. I ain't out of here yet, though. Yeah, that'd be a nice little seat. Now they up in there somewhere. Yeah, that looks like the other trail on the other side. She said there's a loop. You could either go this way or that way. And then converge back. Yeah, I'm glad I wore the boots because I feel some of them hard sticks. If I had my shoes, it'd be like, oh. Oh. A little gully there. Still didn't fall. Ha ha. They sure ain't going the wrong way. I tell you, after you walk in here a while, it just feels like you're walking in the same path. Ugh. Huh? No, I know. That's why I said. Well, that's why I said I don't have to stop. If I stop, I'll never make it. Well, I can't stop. If I stop, I won't make it. See? You walk a lot faster than I do, so I've never stopped, and I still... Yeah, and you was crying about me getting ahead of you. I ain't that far ahead of you. Not at all. It's beautiful though. I love the oak trees mixed with the pine needles. It's almost like trail mix, but don't eat that. Bring your food from home and don't throw your trash on the ground. I guess we're getting toward the end. Yeah, maybe. I'm going in circles. Only thing I'm gonna have to buy, instead of buying shoes now, I gotta start buying boots. If I start doing this a lot. Oh. Yeah, big old tree. Big old tree. I know he's close. I heard him. Oh. Here's one of these little things you gotta be careful of. Like a little natural land bridge. Oh, okay. Oh, we're almost there. There's the big, beautiful barn, or maybe we're close to it, but there's something up there. Make sure I didn't miss anything. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I thought I missed it because it looked funny. I don't know if I'm going right or not, James. Huh?
Okay.
Hey, am I on the right track? It don't look right. What do you think? There's the red barn. Yep. So we're close.
Is the hardest part?
There's the end of it. Yay! We made it. We survived! We survived!
You know?
Yep.
Yeah, the hardest part is to find something to brace on. I think that's what took me a little bit longer something.
I'm glad she knew where she was going, because we wouldn't have made it. We wouldn't have made the trail.
We would have took a long one to put shit together.
We've been out here in the middle of the night. Now you seen the thing. Way over there. I didn't expect you to know that the trails starts over there.
30 pounds.
They're gonna say he's city dwellers. They're gonna say stop. Okay. Hey, do this. Smile. Well, car don't have no air conditioning, but it's 50-something degrees, so we got 50 times 2 is 100-mile-an-hour air conditioning. All right. Up here at Hickory Knob, I'm using my pool stick that I used to brake with. Hickory Knob State Park. Oh man, that got in the way here, but it's been good. Yeah, one of these. And it's open table. Oh wow. I ain't got the mic on. You won't hear nothing.
Is that 12 or 13? What is that? Orange stripe corner.
It plays pretty good. All right, 13 balls side of pocket.
I don't even think, even though the cookies are nice, I don't think I need to buy that. That's what
Little
made me
ball
bitchy.
corner.
I feel like I should just buy the rice with it.
Well, buying the sugar, once you have that sugar crash, it's like caffeine crash. Look at that. I love that. This is like a changing screen. Did you make it?
Yeah.
I know. Trying to get them for the baby deers. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? They don't feel threatened here. They feel.
I bet it's like a state park. Yeah, there's multiple.
How many you got? I see 2. You see?
I see 3.
See 3?
Yeah.
See how close you can get before they run off.
My hand didn't stay enough for that. I'm shaking a little bit.
I am too. Let's see. He's looking at us. And looks at us like, oh, it's a threat. Come on now, you gonna scare him off.
Probably get it to lift its head up.
Oh, it'll lift its head up. It's going. It probably wondered who all that shuffling was. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. You know, there's got to be some kid that called the deers kitty. It's like, all right, they're watching us. They're watching us eat. It's time for us to run away. That's so beautiful. See the little natural deer. They eating. I wonder what they eat. Must be eating acorns or grass or something. That right there, boy. It's so pretty. How do they do the sound? They go,
What are you doing? That's schizo in.
something like that. No, it didn't hit now. You're disturbing the peace. You got them all lifting their head like that's where your dog Bella, her ears lift up like that.